Is your Toyota Highlander screen going black whenever you connect Apple CarPlay? The good news is that 80% of these black screen issues are purely software related and don't require a dealer visit. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your connection back online. Start by swapping your cable for a certified Apple original and ensuring the USB port is free of debris. If a new cable doesn't work, focus on the phone by toggling airplane mode or performing a hard restart. On the Highlander side, you can reset the infotainment system by holding the volume power button for 10 seconds. If you have tried every reset and the screen remains black, it is time to have a professional inspect the physical unit. As you can see, a simple cable replacement fixes nearly half of all reported display issues. For a deeper power cycle, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, but remember to have your audio presets ready. Keep a basic 10mm wrench and a high-quality cable in your glove box for these exact situations. Remember that infotainment systems are essentially small computers, and they occasionally just need a fresh start. Thanks for watching, and check the description for more troubleshooting tips for your Highlander.